In this video, we will show you motion change beautiful welcome slide in PowerPoint. So let's start. Click on right button, select color, then close. Go to insert, draw a text box. Here we write welcome. Select and pick a new font your text. Make it bold, size 260 and center your content. Go to format, align center and align middle. Go to insert, click on shape, select rectangle, drag it over here. Shape outline, make it no outline. Click on right button, send to back. Select both. Go to merge shape, select subtract. Go to insert, pick a text box. Here we write creative PowerPoint presentation. Go to character spacing, adjust the spacing between character. Center your content, make your text bold. Go to insert, click on shape, select rectangle, drag it over here. Shape outline, make it no outline. Zoom out. Go to insert tab, click on picture. I have downloaded a picture from Google, select it and insert it. Take the right side of the slide, select this shape, go to format, change the color using Eyedropper. Select this shape, change the color using the Eyedropper. Select this text box, change the color using the Eyedropper. Select this shape, go to animation, add animation. Select line, go to effect option, select left. Now let me select this, drag it like this. Increase duration size, select it and click on animation painter, animate the picture. Right click, send to back. Select this arrow symbol, place it like this and select start after previous. Now let me watch the slideshow and this is looking beautiful. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.